This is Frank and Gloria Savali, Service First Installers. Wanted to talk to you a little bit today about some of the things we're doing. One of them is actually giving 10% back from our proceeds to different non-profit organizations that we support. We picked out 4 of them. One helps young men, one helps young women, one helps all the children get fed, and then another one is actually doing disease research. All right, we're going to highlight one today, and this is all about Mercy Multiplied. And having had 3 children that are girls, it's an important feature in our lives.
Hi, I'm Gloria, and Mercy Multiplied is an organization that's nationwide. It's not specific here to Pinellas Park, but what it does is it helps young ladies, I believe from the age 14 on to 30, that have issues that have been told by society that they can't be helped. They have situations like drug abuse, they've been trafficked, the sexual trafficking, sexual abuse, they have cutting issues, and they're in pretty bad shape when they come to Mercy Multiplied. They stay at their home for 2 to 3 months, and their life is completely transformed through a program that's Jesus Christ centered. And they come out and they're able to go back into society, have families, be productive, and they totally are transformed. And they also have an outreach program that continues to follow them and help them out after they get out. It's an amazing program. The woman has incredible experience from different sources like the world sources, and then it's a nonprofit which is totally privately funded, and it's an amazing organization that gets amazing results, and we totally believe in it, and we just want to let you know what it's about. If you go on theshowtoguysaintpete.com, you can actually see a video from them if you want to know more about how they operate.